my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist who's retired. And I'm here with Alexis Sanderson. And she's got a very bright light. And you just shine it to them so they can see. Show it to them. Oh, it's so bright. And Alexis has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy. She's more involved on her right side. And one of the things that we're seeing is she's starting to be windswept, and actually has been for a while, from more toward her left side, so her right leg's coming in more. And as we know from earlier videos, when your one leg goes in, it affects the alignment of the hips, and once that hips alignment is affected, it can cause a scoliosis. Now, Alexis does not have a scoliosis at this point, but it's really important to address that windswept position of the legs. So I really strongly recommend sitting. The research on short-term stretches are not very good for children with cerebral palsy, so it's really positional stretches that are more important, ones that can be maintained over a longer period of time. So we just simply have two folding chairs, and we walked her over, sat her down, and then brought this chair up to the front and spread her knees wide around it. And this is a position that she could watch TV in, and it gives a prolonged stretch to those adductors. And this in turn will affect her ability to stand straighter, her ability to walk with less scissoring of her legs. She rides a tricycle, and to be able to get her knees tend to rub together as she rides that tricycle, to be able to have them out wider. So it's a really simple, easy idea to work on stretching the adductors or the inner thigh muscles. I hope this is a helpful idea, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, or comment to help other families and therapists find this content.